Hey, my dream builders, welcome back to Quiz Slice. Would You Rather Dream House Edition is back on track. Today, we're going full fantasy house as you build. Every choice upgrades your mansion or totally changes your destiny. So like if you love luxury, comment on every choice you make. And besides that, let's get going. The key is in your hand. Let's build your fantasy luxury dream house. Round 1. Build your fantasy Christmas dream house. All right, 3 houses are on screen. Which one feels like your Christmas dream? Take a good look. One of these pools is calling your name. Gotta choose one from the rest, right? Three plates, 3 tastes, 3 moods. Don't overthink it. Just follow your hunger. Okay, this is tough. Which bunk bed setup would you actually sleep in? Which one from these 3 libraries matches your vibe? I like that Elsa one. Imagine chilling here every night, but you can only choose one. Lock your choice in. Next up, time to take a bath. So choose your bathroom. Movie nights, endless cinema, but only one TV. Which screen wins it for you? No pressure, but your sleep quality depends on this. Okay, stop everything. This is a big decision. Would you chill, sleep, and live your best life in Judy Hopps' bedroom, or crash in Nick Wilde's bedroom, full of cool vibes and relaxing energy? Choose fast. Trust your vibe and drop your answer in the comments. No overthinking and no switching sides. Next stop, beanbag. Don't blink. Just choose the one you'd collapse into instantly. Wonderful vibe at every garden, but you can only choose one from the rest. So do it. Make your dream come true. Luxury level check. Which villa pool fits your dream life? If you're boarding a train, which one are you taking just by their look? All right, this one's all about you. Drop your name so we know who's playing, confess your crush's name, don't be shy, and tell us your favorite moment in life, the one that still makes you smile. Spam those comments, read what others wrote, and let's turn this comment section into good energy. All three just feel warm already, but only one you can choose. All these toy storages are wonderful, but you gotta lock one with your style. Relaxation level 100. Which one are you stepping into? This says a lot about you. Which would you choose to be your PlayStation controller? Choose carefully. Eyes sharp, brain on. These emojis are trying to trick you, but only one pair actually matches. Trust your instincts and lock in your answer before time runs out. Found them already? Drop it in the comments and flex your skills. Comfort test. Choose the sofa bed you would use to sleep in all day. Look closely at the vibe, the design. One of these fans just belongs in your dream space. But there's only one, so decide. Late night water, phone, book, maybe a secret snack. Which bedside setup actually fits your real-life routine? Which backyards are you picking for yourself? Movie night energy is real, but which bucket are you grabbing in is still not answered yet. Lighting vibe and its design is everything. Cozy, classy, or modern. Which lamp matches your personality? New life unlocked. Which country would you imagine yourself waking up in every day? USA, Germany, or England? Tell us in the comment below. Creative mode on. Which texture feels satisfying just by looking at it? This isn't just a pool, it's a whole place to relax. So pick the one you'd never want to leave. Slow mornings, long showers, peace, and quiet. One of these spaces screams self-care. Midnight cravings, party drinks, daily essentials. Which fridge fits your lifestyle? And wow, did your fantasy dream house turn out insane? Mine is absolutely fantastic. Would you actually live here forever or rebuild it even crazier next time? Drop your final house style in the comments and subscribe for more Would You Rather dream builds. So Slicers, until next time, peace out.